The eighth problem is identify the type of the conic, find the center, foci, vertices and directories of the following. The first question is x minus 3 whole square by 225 plus y minus 4 to the whole square by 289. Here a square is less than b square. A square is less than b square. So it is a ellipse. That is a square is equal to 289. B square is equal to 225. A square is equal to 289. B square is equal to 225. So whichever is greater, you have to take it as a square. Okay. So a is equal to 17 plus or minus 17. B is equal to plus or minus 15. So what is E square? Formula for ellipse. E square is equal to 1 minus B square by A square. So E value will be square root of 1 minus B square by A square. E is equal to 1 minus B square by A square. E square answer. So E is equal to square root of 1 minus B square by A square. That is equal to 1 minus the value of B square is 225. The value of A square is 289. Taking LCM as 289, I can have 289 minus 225. That is, by subtracting these two numbers, I will have 64 by 289. Square root of 64 is 8 and square root of 289 is 17. So E answer will be 8 by 17. AE answer will be, A answer is 7 and E answer is 8 by 17. So 17 and 17 will be cancelled. So the value of AE will be 8. A by E is equal to 17 divided by 8 by 17. So I can take this denominator fraction as reciprocal. So 17 into 17 by 8. 17 17s are 289 by 8. So AE answer, A by E answer is this one. AE answer is this one. So I want to find out the center, foci, vertices and directors. So center is 3, 4. So how 3, 4? Here x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. So in the place of h you have 3, in the place of k you have 4. So this will be the opposite sign of this will be the center. X coordinate, y coordinate. The opposite sign of the x coordinate is 3. The opposite sign of the y coordinate is 4. So 3, 4 will be the center, h, k. So h is equal to 3 and k is equal to 4. So the vertices are h minus a, k and h plus a, k. I already told in my last class about these formulas. Okay, again you go through the formula and do the problem. So h answer is 3. A answer is minus 17, K answer is 4 and H answer is again 3, A answer is 17, 4. So 3 minus 17 is minus 14, 4. This is 20, 4. Now C square I want to find out for ellipse. So for ellipse the C square answer will be A square minus B square. For hyperbola the C square answer will be A square plus B square. So this is the difference between the ellipse and the hyperbola. C square is equal to A square minus B square. So C square is equal to 289 minus 225. So C square is equal to 64. C is equal to plus or minus 8. So 4C will be H minus C, K and H plus C, K. So H answer is 3 and C answer is minus 8, 4. And H answer is 3, C answer is 8, 4. So minus 5 comma 4 and 11 comma 4. These are the foci of the ellipse. Equation of the directress will be y is equal to plus or minus a by e plus k. So y is equal to plus or minus plus a by e plus k, and y is equal to minus a by e plus k. That is 289 by 8 plus 4, and y is equal to minus 289 by 8 plus 4. Therefore 289 plus, I can take 8 as LCM. 8 4s are 32. And again 8 as LCM, 8 4s are 32. So 289 plus 32 is 321 by 8, and y is equal to minus 257 by 8. So these are the equation of the directress. Now the third question is x plus 3 whole square by 225 minus y minus 4 whole square by 64 is equal to 0. Just look at the sign of this. This is a negative sign. So it is a hyperbola equation. That is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Just look at this. The greater number is below the x term. Therefore, the hyperbola is on x-axis. So this is the focus 1 and this is focus 2. This is vertex 1 and this is vertex 2. So the hyperbola will be like this. So a square is equal to 225. So a is equal to plus or minus 15. Here b square is equal to 64. Therefore b is equal to plus or minus 8. So e square answer for hyperbola is 1 plus b square by a square, that is 1 plus 64 by 225. That is 225 I can take as LCM. This will become multiplication. So 225 plus 64, that is 289 by 225. So e square is 289 by 225. E is equal to 17 by 15. A is equal to 15 into 17 by 15. This 15 and this 15 can be cancelled. A is equal to 17. So A by E is equal to 15 by 17 by 15. So 15 into 15 by 17. 225 by 17. Here the center is h comma k. That is the opposite sign of the x coordinate and the opposite sign of the y coordinate will be h comma k. So opposite sign of the x coordinate will be minus 3. The opposite sign of the y coordinate will be plus 4. Therefore the center is minus 3 comma 4. H is equal to minus 3 and k is equal to 4. Now c square is equal to a square plus b square for hyperbola. For ellipse it is a square minus b square. So these are the small things we have to keep it in our mind, then only we can do the problem correctly. C square is equal to 225 plus 64, that is c square is equal to 289, c is equal to square root of 289, c is equal to 17. So vertices will be h plus a comma k and h minus a comma k. That is, in the place of h I have minus 3, in the place of a I have 15, comma 4. And h is minus 3 and a is minus 15, minus a, comma 4. So 12 comma 4 and minus 18 comma 4 are the vertices. Then foci. Two foci are h plus c comma k and h minus c comma k. In the place of h I have minus 3, in the place of c I have 17 comma 4 and minus 3 minus 17 comma 4. So this will be 14 comma 4 and minus 20 comma 4. So equation of the directress will be x is equal to plus or minus a by e. That is x is equal to plus or minus 225 by 17. Then the fifth problem is 18x square plus 12y square minus 144x plus 48y plus 120 is equal to 0. So just I want to make x terms together and y terms together. 18x square minus 144x, just I am writing this term and this term together because both are in x terms. So this term and this term I am writing together. So 12y square plus 48y plus 120 is equal to 0. So 18 I can take outside. So 18 into x square minus 8x. If I am taking 12 outside, then y square plus 4y plus 120. So I want to make this number as a perfect square. For that, I can write this as x square minus 2 into 4 into x. In the place of b you have 4. So I am adding 4 square and I am subtracting 4 square. Plus 12. This 4y I can write as 2 into 2 into y. So I want to make as a perfect square number. In the place of b I have 2. So I am adding 2 square and I am subtracting 2 square. Plus 120 I am writing as it is. So this I can write as x square minus 2 into 4 into x plus 4 square. This minus 4 square is minus 16. Plus 12 into y square 2 into 2 into y plus 2 square. This minus 2 square I can write as minus 4 plus 120. So 18 16s are 288. 12 4s are 48. Plus 120 is equal to 0. So this term I can write as x plus 4 whole square. This term I can write as y plus 2 whole square. So this number, this term and this term all together I am going to take to right hand side. So this will be minus 120, this will be plus 288, this will be plus 48. So 18 into x minus 4 whole square plus 12 into y plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 120 plus 288 plus 48. So this will be 18 into x minus 4 whole square plus 12 into y plus 2 whole square is equal to 216. So I am going to divide by 216 on both sides. So 18 into x minus 4 whole square by 216 plus 12 into y plus 2 whole square by 216 is equal to 1. So if I cancel this, this will become 12 times. If I cancel this, this will become 18 times. That will be equal to 1. So it is a ellipse on y axis because y coordinate number will be greater. Y coordinate number will be greater. So it is a ellipse on y axis. The ellipse will be like this. So in the form of x minus h whole square by b square plus y minus k whole square by a square is equal to 1, where h is equal to 4 and k is equal to minus 2. Just opposite sign of this. H answer will be opposite sign of this, k will be opposite sign of this. A square is equal to 18 and b square is equal to 12. So a is equal to root 18, that is 3 root 2. B is equal to root 12, that is 4 3s are 12. Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 3. E square answer is square root of 1 minus b square by a square. That is square root of 1 minus 12 by 18. So if you take LCM as 18, this will become 18 minus 12. That is 6 by 18. Square root of 1 by 3. This I can write as 1 by root 3. So E answer is 1 by root 3. C square is equal to a square minus b square. That is equal to 18 minus 12. That is C square is equal to 6. So C is equal to square root of 6. So center will be h comma k, that is 4 comma minus 2. Vertices is h comma k minus a and h comma k plus a. That is 4 comma minus 2. K answer is minus 2. A answer is minus 3 root 2. Comma h answer is 4. K answer is minus 2 plus 3 root 2. Then the focus will be h comma k minus c and h comma k plus c. That is h answer is 4 and k answer is minus 2 minus root 6. H answer is 4, K answer is minus 2 plus root 6. Then the equation of the directress will be y is equal to plus or minus a by e plus k. That is plus or minus 3 root 2 by 1 by root 3 plus k answer is minus 2. That is plus or minus 3 root 2 into 1 by root 3. Root 3 if I am writing as a reciprocal, this will be root 3 by 1 minus 2. So 3 into 2 3s are 6 minus 2. Therefore, the equation of the directress will be y is equal to plus 3 root 6 minus 2 and y is equal to minus 3 root 6 by 2. These are the equation of the directress.